I have to work with today. Got me a job on my hands. It is just me doing this job by myself, but just wanted everybody to see that it can be done. It can be done. And then you got some stuff out there on the patio. Out there in the back, and way in the back there. But yeah, let me take you up the stairs real quick. Actually, I can show you all the garage while I'm right here. It's all packed up. Whatever can be put in the box. But yeah, this is what I got. Upstairs with a turn. First room. First room right here. Back out this way. Some master bedroom over there. Dresser here. Nightstand bed. Nothing in the closet. And then these couple boxes here. And then the last room there. The last room right here. You know, mostly boxes, as you can see. But I'm gonna get this job done. Ain't gonna be no more videos and stuff. I might do another one later because I want to show y'all that, it's possible to get this stuff done with one person. It's possible to get the job done without breaking stuff. It's possible to do a lot of things, and you just gotta go at it. You can't sit here and, oh my God, there's a lot of stuff and all that crap. You just gotta go at it, man. You can't sit here and be crying about all the little crap you gotta do. And you never go downstairs without nothing in your hand. Never go downstairs without nothing in your hand. That's one less trip. One less trip. But yeah, man, all right, so I'm probably make another video later so y'all can see. But I'm gonna get started, man. I gotta get started. Gotta go. All right, y'all. Peace. All right, so I have one room completely done. That's the mattress that was in that room. Those boxes came from the next. I did get a start before I started to record. But yeah, that's it for the first room. But let me show you. First room is completely done. And I am on to the next one, which would be this. You already see. Right now, it is 10:18. I am going to show you that you can actually get all of the boxes out of the rooms pretty quick. It doesn't take a whole lot of people, which people seem to think that, oh, I'm in one room and he in the next room, and then it still take forever to get the freaking boxes and the furniture out. But it don't take much. It don't take much at all. As you can see, this is what's in this room, which I did take a stack from here and a stack from here out of the room. Pretty much everything else is out of the room already, which I already got some on the dolly now. This room is the other room I'm going to be taking out within this next hour. So, it's possible, man. You just gotta, like I said, you just gotta go at it. It's not much, but like I said, I'm gonna get it downstairs. Once I get everything downstairs, I'm gonna be taking it out to the truck, loading it, get it in the place it's supposed to be, you know, load it up in the tier, make it look all nice. I'm gonna take you outside and let you see what it looks like after this. But I wanted to show you that you can get it done. Like I said, 2 rooms full of boxes and stuff. Without the furniture in this room, I'm not gonna really worry about trying to get the furniture out of this room. But I am going to get the boxes out of this room and the other room that I just showed you. Like I said, within a quick period of time, one person doing the job by itself. But I'm gonna show you. So real quick, show y'all that the truck is getting loaded. I'm about almost halfway through the truck, but I had a lot of phone calls for business-wise, but yeah, a lot of phone calls, but it slowed me down a lot, I want to say, you know, enough to, it's what, 2 o'clock now, and I finally just got the upstairs done. But as you can see, like I said, I got a good little bit done, which was the whole upstairs, and then some of the boxes from downstairs. But man, like I said, you still can push through it. I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs and get the downstairs done. It's not including the garage, just the dining room area, kitchen, living room. Finish those areas today, and that'll be it. I'll just come back tomorrow morning and get whatever's left. But you know, it'll be a pretty good day for one guy. Get this job done by himself. But hey. Hey, sorry fam. I was supposed to show you how the truck looked. But see, this is my truck. Back there's the truck I had used, smaller truck I had used to put the stuff on from the house. So finally made it back to my truck, which what I had to do is I had to put the stuff on the smaller truck, which is that truck, put it on there to bring it to my truck, which is the semi truck. It's been one heck of a day. Sorry I didn't even get a chance to make another video showing y'all what I did when I was at the house before I left. But you know, now I got busy and everything. You know, I started loading my other truck already and everything. You know, it was just a mind thing. I got focused, forgot to even record showing y'all the other stuff, the other steps. But I got to go back tomorrow. I was only able to do so much for a shuttle. But like I said, this is the other truck I use here. This is the stuff I put on earlier. You know, it has, if you got some people that actually know how to load a truck, you know, don't mind that big open gap right there. It was just enough for me to, basically just to get it on. I was just trying to get what I can get on as a one-man crew today. But for everybody else that don't know how the load and stuff go, this is my my ramp that I'm using. You know, I ain't got really much to say about it, but you know, I just got to get it done, man. It's been a crazy day, as y'all know. But I'm gonna get back to loading this truck up. And I'll show you when I get back over to the house what was done. As you can kind of see, there's stuff on both of the trucks. What was done at the house, residence, and what I got left, and what I'll be finishing up when I get back to residence. Until then, like I said, I'm gonna get this stuff on the other truck. Yeah, but I mean, I'm not tired. I'm not tired at all. Literally, I'm not. I mean, I might look a little sweaty because I sweat real easy. But I'm not tired. I'm not tired at all, man. I know some people, they really can't handle this job. It requires a great mindset. You got to have a good mindset of just, just getting it done. I know a lot of military people, I guess, going through that training and stuff. I guess they have that, got to get that mind. It's a mind thing, I guess, like I've heard a couple times. But same thing with this right now. It's just a mind thing. I'm not sore. I'm not tired. I did stop for a little break, which I could have recorded that. Once again, my mind was focused. Plus I had multiple calls, like I was telling y'all earlier. I had multiple calls coming through, business calls, little personal calls. I had to check on a couple of my other guys. Right now I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I got guys back at home, so I had to check on them. But man, it's some work. As y'all see, I'm showing y'all personally. Man, I don't know if you paid attention, but there is no one on either of these trucks. There is no one helping me. I know you can't really go off of that because people could be hiding, I guess, whatever. But I ain't got no reason to lie, man. Like I said, go hard, keep your mindset, have a little game plan, and you can get it done. You can definitely get it done. But I'm gonna get back to doing what I'm doing. I'm actually I'm actually in a Home Depot parking lot. It's where I rented the Penske rental truck, so that way I can get my job done. So that's where I'm at. I'm at a little. Let me show you. I'm at a little Home Depot parking lot. I park my truck, and get my job done. That's all I can do. But I'm at a Home Depot parking lot, man. This is where I sleep for the night. It's food places, IHOP, and I see Zaxby's over there, and some other stuff. I don't know what it is. Sonic's, I think. And then one of my favorite restaurants, look, fast food restaurant is over there. It's called Freddy's Frozen Cluster. But yeah, good place. But I got food. I got drinks. Obviously, I can go to a store, grab me some drinks and stuff, but this is where I'm at. So once I'm done with this, end of the day, jump in my truck, head to a truck stop, get a little shower, come back to the same spot, and and be ready to go, for whatever my next job is the next day. But I'm gonna get back. Like I said, I'm gonna get back. I just wanted to throw a quick video out there, which this is a part of the video. I'm just kind of throwing in clips as I go. So thanks for watching. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, throw a little comment in there, what you think. And I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. I'm gonna definitely get back with y'all. All right, now. Peace. All right, done for the night. As you can see, it is night. It is night. Street lights on. Done though. Got everything on the truck. Take a look for yourself. That thing empty. It's empty. Hey. Get up here and close these doors. But hey man, we're done. Finished it. That's how you do it.